Here we have the new Range Rover Sport in Santorini Black. This car has carbon fibre exterior finisher, privacy glass, 22-inch alloys with a gloss black finish, a powered tailgate, and you also have keyless entry. Going inside the vehicle, you have Range Rover script tread plates and part leather, part suede interior. You also have a suede steering wheel and also suede on your gear shift. A sliding panoramic roof, which is great for letting in more light. Apple CarPlay and Android Auto to connect your phone. A rear view camera, making parking and reversing a lot easier. Sat nav and other options which can all be controlled using the buttons on your wheel. You also have cruise control, lane departure warning and blind spot monitor, making motorways easier and safer to drive along. Along with a heated steering wheel and heated front seats, which is a luxury especially in winter. The front seats are also memory, which is ideal if there's several people driving the vehicle, and you also have a Meridian sound system. This car is brand new and therefore has only done 20 miles. And you also have head-up display, which is great as it stops you getting distracted looking back down. That was the Range Rover Sport. If you're interested in this car, please call 01785 211 131. Thank you.